All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Elite Firearms Training. I've got here an Elander 6.5 Grendel magazine. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a 20 rounder. The purpose of this video is we are going to see, can we load 7.62x39 into a 6.5 Grendel, and will the rounds properly load, chamber, and cycle for the next round. All right, now this is just for testing purposes. I don't recommend this to be done at home. This is just a let's see if it'll work type thing. Y'all follow what I'm saying? All right, but in the future, I do recommend you using the proper 7.62x39 magazines for 7.62x39 caliber. All right, here we go. I'm loading up, but I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 6 rounds. I'm going to load into this magazine. I'm going to load my firearm. I've got 10.5 inch 10.5 inch AR-47 pistol. We're going to see if it works. All right, follow me. Load 1. The ammunition that I'm using is Wolf Poly Performance and Wolf Military Classic. I'm gonna make sure they seat all the way back. Now, if this is all that you had, and we know that these two cases are related, then yeah, you could do that. I already see that these are not seating properly. If this was the Duramax C-Box Defense magazine, you would not have this problem. This is the same issue that I had using the ASC magazines. All right, 6th round. All right. Can you see that? All right. We're about to load it up. We're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have an Elander 6.5 Grendel. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 20 round magazine for 6.5 Grendel, but I have 6 rounds of 7.62x39 loaded up into this magazine. Here's my AR-47. We are going to see if it properly chambers, and we are able to successfully fire these rounds. All right, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully fired 7.62x39 in a 6.5 Grendel Elander 20 round magazine. It cycles successfully, 6 rounds. I didn't have any failure, but this is nothing that I advise doing because they make magazines specifically for the 7.62x39, and I personally would go with the C-Products Defense 7.62x39 magazines. They have been working for me flawless. All right, Elite Firearms, we out.